Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Pulsar Chronograph watch. So we want to do this AC reset after we have replaced the watch battery in order to all clear the watch, so to eliminate all possible errors and to reset the movement. In order to do that, what we want to do is to read everything that is written on this metallic plate right here, and we are going to look for a place where we have an AC and an arrow that points to the place that we need to connect the AC with the plus of the battery. Now when you open your watches, you should normally find the sticker either on the back of the watch right here, so on the inner part of the watch case back, or right on the battery. You are going to find that sticker, for example, on Casio G-Shock watches. I do not recommend removing that sticker because you want to keep it in place for as many battery replacements as possible. After you have identified the correct place, in my case it is going to be right here, I'm going to take my metallic pair of tweezers and I'm going to have one tip inserted right there, and then I'm going to connect the other one to the plus of the watch battery. I'm going to keep them like that for around 3 seconds, and as you could have seen, the subdials of the chronograph were moving. That is a good indication that the AC reset was done properly. Now, something really important after you have replaced the watch battery and done the AC is that your chronograph subdials are going to be misaligned. So we also need to do the calibration of the chronograph. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full watch battery change when it comes to your Pulsar Chronograph watch. And I'm also going to link another video where I'm going to align, so to calibrate the chronograph when it comes to a Pulsar Chronograph watch. Everything is going to be linked below, as well as all the tools that I normally use throughout my videos. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.